Hey guys, Toby from Auto Megastore here again today, and we are going to be discussing this product over the next couple of minutes, which is the 7-piece car care kit from Meguiars, which looks after the inside and also the outside of your car. Now, the good thing about this product is it's certainly a fantastic way to gift someone a car detailing kit for whether that's Father's Day, Christmas, birthdays, you name it. This is the kit you want to get for someone who loves their car. Alright, so let's discuss some of the finer details of what actually comes in the kit. So, like I mentioned off the top, it's a 7-piece car care kit, and it comes with a deep crystal car wash, a scratch remover, a cleaner wax, a glass care kit, which is a different size, which we'll discuss in just one moment. It's a bit different to the regular sizes which you normally see on the market. It then comes with some interior car care and then also some tyre shine foam on the end as well. So we'll start with the car wash. So basically it's pretty self-explanatory, this one, because it's for looking after your car, getting rid of all the the dirt, the grime, the build-up, which certainly accumulates when you've been driving your car out on the road, which I'm guessing pretty much all of you do quite regularly as well. So that's actually a good way just to get the outside of the car looking extremely nice, which then sets it up for the next few products that we have, which for one is this scratch remover. So once you get the car clean, you can then use the scratch remover to basically rub out all the minor imperfections in your car and basically get it back to looking just as good as brand new again. And this is one of the best products on the market for the scratch remover as well. Once you've used the scratch remover, you can then move on to the cleaner wax, which is also almost self-explanatory as well, because it has the cleaning and waxing effect all in one. So it actually leaves a nice wax-like shine once you finish the cleaning process. So it's basically taking two jobs, converting them into one, and saving you a lot of time, potentially half an hour, 45 minutes as well. And it's a super easy application to get the job done with that one there. Then we move on to the Clarity Glass Cleaner, which is actually, I think it's 473ml, which is different to the standard sizes which you normally see on the market from Meguiar. So it's a bit harder to get, but comes in this kit and is a good way to also get your windows clean and get all the rubbish off them that builds up over time as well. And then we move on to this product, which is the Quick Interior Detailer. So if the surfaces on the inside of your car are a little bit dirty and not looking 100%, what you can do is actually get some of this within this kit, and that's going to improve the look of all the interior surfaces of your car. And the other thing that it does is actually shines and protects the surfaces as well. So if your car's out in the sun a lot and copying a lot of heat and rays and UV light, this is actually going to protect all your dash and your steering wheel and all the other sort of black surfaces in your car which take a bit of a hammering from the sun. Then the last piece of this kit is actually the Hot Shine tyre foam, which is a super simple and easy product to use. All you do is simply spray it onto your wheel to get it looking brand new all over again without having to fork out $400 to $500 to get new tyres onto your car. Once you've sprayed it on, all you simply do is have to brush it off and your tyres looking almost brand new all over again. So this kit is the perfect gift to get for someone who loves their car, and let's be honest, needs to take a bit more care of it on the outside and the inside as well. So you can head over to automegastore.com.au today to get yours, or if you're already on the website, just click up here, add it to your cart and get it for that special someone in your life.